going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage. Quick video here of the motor in the 77 C10 Chevy. One of the viewers on a previous video asked if I can make a close-up video of the throttle linkage bracket and how I hooked it up on this AVS2 carburetor. We'll take the air filter off here and take a look at it. Nice. I'll go get that here in a minute. Not a big deal. As long as it didn't get on the carburetor itself, we're all right. So let's get a closer view there at the linkage and bracket setup and take a look at it. Now, I do believe I said in the comments in a reply that I used my original bracket off the 4-barrel quadrajet, but actually I just remembered it was just a universal one I picked up off the shelf in the garage. The cable here and a little rubber boot that goes into the bracket's all original, but the bracket back there itself's not. That was about 15 bucks. That's how I've got it hooked up. You can see it. Should be able to see it pretty good there. Check out the front of it. Don't have my manual choke hooked up yet. I've got one, but I haven't hooked it up. It'll obviously go there for the choke, but it's been warm here in Ohio, so I haven't really found the need to hook it up yet, but we'll get it on there before winter hits. So. Not a bad carburetor, pretty good out of the box. Good throttle response. Got my old Cyclone siren over here. It's pretty cool. Found that at a garage sale for $1. I put it in there. Sounds like one of them tornado sirens or something, you know. But let's get that wing nut out the back of there and we'll put this together and wrap it up. Just quick video showing off the linkage there. Hopefully it helped you out. Let me know what you're working on. Like to take a look at it if you make videos. So Dalton's Garage signing out until next time. Take it easy. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.